It's the YouTube shorts for me. When I tell you shout out to YouTube shorts, baby, it's the shorts for me. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sim Marie. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you like what you hear and that you stay aboard with your girl. If you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what is up? And in today's video, I'm just gonna straight get to it, baby. It's the shorts for me. And when I say it's the shorts for me, it's because I feel like my views, my subscribers, everything has been going up because of YouTube shorts. Okay, if you sleeping on YouTube shorts, I'm gonna need you to wake up. Wake up. Because when I tell you it's throwing in subscribers, like, it's like, oh my God. Hotcakes, throwing them things at me like biscuits, baby. Them subscribers are coming in from my shorts. And I'm receiving a lot of views. You know, I don't really do shorts, but lately I've been doing a lot of shorts, and you probably noticed it if you're a subscriber. Your girl been doing a lot of shorts because I'm noticing a lot of subscribers are coming from shorts. I get a lot of engagement from shorts. I get a lot of views from shorts, and I'm getting paid from shorts. Yes. Now, I know a while back it was something going on to where, you know, you have to be, they pick who they want to get the money to for the shorts. But I have been getting money for my shorts. Like, my CPMs have been $20. My RPM has been $15, $10. And they've been paying me out pretty good. So if you've been sleeping on shorts, I'm going to need you to wake up and start posting on shorts, baby. Because, baby, that's what's going on. That's where it's at. And not only that, you can make a whole bunch of shorts in one day. A whole bunch of shorts. You know how I'm doing this video now? This video right here takes time, and I will continue to make these. But when you're dealing with YouTube shorts, you're able to make a whole bunch of shorts. Like, this one video is gonna take me hours. I have to make the video, edit the video, make a thumbnail. It takes time. But with those shorts, you can boom, 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 boom. Each short can give you new subscribers, new views. More views, you know what I'm saying? So if you can do it, get into those shorts. Make sure you put your hashtags in there, whatever your video is about. Put your hashtags in there. Put viral, put YouTube shorts, put shorts. Hey, I even put reels, and hey, it's working for me. So if you haven't been posting shorts, I'm gonna need you to post shorts. Post them shorts and make a very good title. Make that title to where they can't help but click it. Yeah, make them click it. Make that title, boom, they're gonna click it. And you don't have to keep the picture that they put on the front of your short. You can go inside your YouTube studio and either make a custom thumbnail, or you can just pick from one of the other ones that they have on there. Because sometimes they be having me mouth open, eyes closed, but it's all good because the message is inside of there. So I'm letting you know that you can go in there and change that up, but you don't have to. The message is inside there. But yeah, go ahead and start posting and making those shorts. Make that title interesting. Now, it is a little thing with this. Now, you still have to put your title, description, and your tags and stuff in there because that still play a part. But your chances of being discovered is better because people's attention span is going to be better with a 15-20 second clip, whether a 20-minute video. So what you need to do is you need to go find what's trending topics. Like right now, Facebook Reels is trending, YouTube Shorts is trending, certain influencers, certain thing is trending. So whatever your niche is about, go ahead and do it. If you like to cook, it's a lot of summer dishes that people are looking for. A lot of summer dishes that they want to make for dinner. A lot of summer snacks. A lot of summer ice cream. Different little things for the kids. Like if you like cooking and little snacks like that, that's what's trending right now. The little popsicles and all that. If you got some neat ways to do things, put those things on the YouTube short. And hashtag what it is. And get to it. It's a lot of cool things. Like people want to wear shorts and bathing suits and stuff. If you got some cool little hacks that you can do with old jeans or whatever it is, old shirts you want to tie up at the top, shorts, whatever you want to do that. Now for the guys, a lot of people going fishing. So if you like to fish, go show your technique of how you go fishing. Show how you catch the fish, what bait you use, what line you use, what boat you use, whatever you do, show them. They gonna watch. So y'all already know I'm gonna put y'all up on game. I'm gonna let y'all know everything. Ain't no secrets over here. Okay, I'm gonna keep it very transparent with you. Like, I've been doing a lot of YouTube shorts. See, me, I like to test things out first before I throw it out to y'all, because I don't need y'all being your girl up to my sin. No, so I like to test it out first. And so I tested it out, baby, and it's working for me. I get about 30 to 40 subscribers a day because I'm constantly posting. And they're finding the things that I'm doing and saying interesting. That's why they're subscribing, because they want to see more like that. But try to keep it in your niche. That way, if they're subscribing because what they see on your short, they're going to want to see more of that on your channel. So make sure it match, okay? Make sure it match. Make it match. Make it make sense. Make it match. So go ahead and start making those YouTube shorts. Make sure you put a bomb description, a bomb title to make them say, what? Click. You want them to click. So let that title stand out. Make sure you put your hashtags in there. Make sure you put your tags in there. Just like you would do your regular video. You want to rank that baby to the top. So you need to make sure you put her at the top. Put him at the top by putting the right stuff like you would do for your regular video. So now what I want you to do, when this video is over, I want you to start making those shorts and get it done. Don't try to do at least 5 shorts a day. Do that. Do a challenge with yourself, and I'm going to do the same. Well, I've already been doing it. Make 5 shorts a day. If you can, do 5 shorts a day. And see if your subscribers and your views go up. And if it works for you, keep doing it. And if it worked for you, let me know, because I want to know if it's really working for you. Because it's working for me. I promise you it's working for me. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, and you like what you have heard, and you like my personality, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Or if you don't feel like you want to subscribe yet because you really don't know me, you know me yet, go ahead and just give this video a like. That'll help me out enough. Just go ahead and like it, because I know my subscribers are already hit that button. If y'all did, what you waiting on? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down below, and I will get to you as soon as I can. Until next time, your girl Sin Marie is out. Now get to making them reels, baby, because the money is there, the subscribers are there, and the views.